On question 11, I'm solving by factoring, and my first step is to factor out the GCF. So I can factor out an x squared out of all of these terms, and that will leave behind x squared minus x minus 20. And then I can factor that trinomial further. So I can put my two parentheses, my x and my x, and then what two numbers multiply together to give me negative 20, but add together to give me negative 1. And that will be negative 5 and positive 4. So then I want to set each of my factors equal to 0. So with x squared equal to 0, I want to take the square root of both sides, and x is equal to plus or minus 0, but a positive 0 and a negative 0 are really the same thing. So x is just equal to 0. And then I want to add 5, x is equal to 5, and then subtract 4, and x is equal to negative 4. Now, there is a relationship between the degree of the polynomial and how many solutions there are. So, question number 10, our degree was 3, and we had 3 solutions. For 11, our degree is 4, and we only have 3 solutions here, but technically we have 4 because the plus or minus 0 technically counts as 2.